Hi YouTubers, this is Ali here. Today we got a Samsung Galaxy Tab, or it's got the charging port is broken on this one, so we're gonna replace the charging port on this. It's got the soldering type port, so there we go. As you can see, what I've done is I've wrapped around the charging port so we're not damaging or overheating other component of the motherboard. So what I'm trying to do is, there we go. So we basically need to replace this port along with new one, and probably we should be good to go. This is the Kaptons, what I tipped around it, that will prevent the heat damaging any other part of the board. So we will start now. Okay, so what I've done here is that I have locked it up to this port holder. So I'm just waiting for the machine to heat up. We're gonna heat around the part probably, and then slightly take it off from the board. So you make sure you don't apply any unnecessary pressure on it, because that will kill the pads on the board, and then you will not have any connection whatsoever. Then it will be a bit bigger job. So just to let you know that do not put your heat gun away from where you're working, because that can cause overheating and probably can cause a bit of damage to other parts. So just be careful. So yeah, we work on it very gradually and very easily, without any pressure or so, and that will probably do the job for us. Most of the time you just apply some of the soldering as well before you take it off. They will probably, what's going to happen, it will help for the pads to come out quicker and easier. And then once you take it off, you clean it up and then put the new one on, and make sure pads are connected properly, and that should work. I'll take you through that process. It takes a bit of longer time because obviously we need to be very specific on this job, but I'll wherever is necessary I'll explain everything to you, and I hope that this is going to help you out. So yeah, so I've just hold my gun. So what I'm going to do is, so we apply some heat over the legs where the pads are for the soldering, the bigger ones, because they are the one that are holding the port literally. Yeah, we just need to be really careful and not to damage it. Just gonna apply a tiny amount of solder paste on it. This will help the pads to come off really quick. So if you see it's been losing, go. So we took this one off, put it aside. Now we can see a bit of mess here. That's because we applied some extra solder paste or soldering with the help of using this this cleans up the soldering paste. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just apply some of it. This will clean up the you know, unnecessary solder pads. Okay. Once we do that, we make sure we clean it properly, you know, did everything necessarily. So what I'm trying to do is give some more, you know, bit of paste on the solder paste on the pads. This way the grip will be fine. So here's a new one. The way we're gonna put this, that we make sure that it sit properly and nicely. Okay. So we place the new port on it, you know, give it a bit of heat and probably sit down. Bear in mind we got a bit of heat going around the board, so make sure you just cool it down before continuing, because you don't want to transfer heat through this circuit. So now this thing has probably soldered, but what we need to do is we need to make sure that it's 100% set down to the board. In that case you won't have any misconnection. So we're gonna just make sure that happens. So yeah, as you can see, we have got our new port on it, and that's all you do. You just need to put them back together and we're good to go. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe and share it, and I'll come up with more videos. Thank you. Bye.